Hi nature friends, I am snorkeling in Rye, New Hampshire, and I'm going to show you what I find. Stay tuned.
Now here is a European green crab. Looks very clean because this female, as you can see, she just molted. So she's still got a shell that's a little bit soft. Oh my gosh, this one is huge. We've got a small male lobster. The first pair of swimmerettes behind the legs are very rigid, and if you look at the claws, you'll see they're different. The one on the left is our gripper claw, and the one on the right is the crusher claw. So that was really fun. Not only did we find so many pregnant, healthy Jonas again, we had a small male lobster. We were only here for about an hour and a half, and we had just excellent findings. So I hope you get outside in nature. Hope you get to have your own adventure. And until next time, take care.